Welcome back, everybody. I'm coming at you today with a tech video. This video is going to consist of my nephew's PlayStation 3. It has quit working. I think it's overheating, and we're going to dig into it and see what's causing the issue and see if we can't repair it. There's many tech videos already online for about the past 9 years that document how to take apart a PlayStation 3. So we're going to skip that part. I'm sure you can find how to take one apart anywhere, and I'll be back whenever we get to the inside. Alright, so I have the unit torn apart. Well, not torn apart, taken apart. And one of the first things that I noticed that the CPUs, or whatever these are, the thermal paste is like non-existent. It's like caked. It's hard. It's not doing anything. Also, the unit itself is like really dusty. It's pretty dirty on the inside. That's to be expected when you have like pets and stuff. And this is a really older model. It's probably never been cleaned out correctly. So my first step to fixing this is going to be to clean everything up real well and then reapply thermal paste to here. I'm going to clean these off, and then where they make contact here on the back side, and try to get everything nice and back to the way it's supposed to be. And when we get that done, I'll check back in. Okay, well, I got most of it cleaned off really well compared to what it was. Here's the main board now. I've got the sockets, not the sockets, but the CPUs. This says that this is the reality synthesizer, and this one says that it is the cell broadband engine chip. So, but as you can see, I went through and cleaned out all the ports. Took my time with it. So now what we're going to do is put everything back together and test it out and see if it works, because I'm almost willing to bank on the fact that the problem was it overheating because of all the dust and the fact that the thermal paste is pretty much gone to hell. So we're going to test my theory when we get back. Alright, so I got to put it back together, and now we're going to test out the video. Here's the PlayStation. I took the cords out of mine here, which I've already taken mine apart and repasted it and cleaned it out real good and made sure that it had good airflow. Mine's the original 60 gig model. That's backwards compatible, so it's worth something to me. But here, we're going to turn it on. I got a red light. And we're going to look over here to this monitor to see if we get video. So, green light. And then we come over. Come on, give me video, give me video. Give me video. It's flashing. Oh, shoot. Awesome. We'll let it sit on for a second. Again, that's the one that's on. And everybody's got to remember that these consoles, I think PlayStation 3, the first round came out in 06, 07. And we're looking at almost 10 years ago. So that thermal paste on those things really need to be redone. Especially these older launch ones, the fat original PS3s, which to me is still my favorite design of them. But so far so good.